Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove the object from the video with a CapCut. Here I already have the video, and I will just let's try to remove this object. Let me show you this object from the video. So you just need to tap into the clip. Now let's just find the duplicate clip down part here. Click the duplicate. And right after that, we need to make this duplicate to become an overlay. Just go tap it, and you just need to drag this clip into the beginning of the video, just the same duration. Now we just need to tap into the overlay clip again, and then we just need to find the mask tools here. And you just need to go click it. Now you just need to pick the shape. Now we just need to adjusting the size by pinch it into inner side here and drag it into this checklist button first. And now I just need to drag it. I think I miss it, so you just need to go back. Again, you just need to drag this into the area near with the object, and then you just need to go click the checklist button and then drag the clip so that it will be cover the object. Now just need to go to the checklist button again. So here's the result. That's for this tutorial guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.